Sian and I work at Lily's Hair Salon, which is in Diss, Norfolk, England. I've been a KMS Ambassador for around 2 years now. My hair hero within the salon is the TAMEFRIZZ Smoothing Lotion. This is a really lightweight product to use. It's great for detangling on fine hair. It eliminates frizz, any statics or any flyaways during blow drying. Outside it gives UV protection. It gives an incredible shine to the hair as well. With heat protection, with this product only provides heat protection for your hairdryer only. So if you were to use any straightening irons with this or any curling irons, you're going to need extra heat protection for heated tools. So I normally combine this product with our THERMASHAPE Hot Flex Spray. Within this product, it has a mixture of ingredients specific to its styling purpose, and these are called innovative shaping blends.